Staring blankly at your Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni? Pushing buttons, whispering sweet nothings, maybe even giving it a little shake, but nothing? This no-response issue often isn't just one little glitch. It's frequently a double whammy: a faulty base station control panel PCB and a faulty battery in the robot itself. Essentially, the command center and the power source are refusing to cooperate. Ignoring this combo can lead to more than just dirty floors. You risk further electrical issues within the expensive base station, or completely draining and damaging the battery beyond simple recovery. So your Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni is completely unresponsive. You've tried the basics, but it's still just sitting there. Frustrating, right? Well, breathe easy, because you've found the experts. Here at RoboCare, we specialize in complex robot vacuum repairs, and the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni is a machine we know intimately. We don't just guess. We use specialized diagnostic equipment to precisely pinpoint failures in both the base station's intricate control board and the robot's battery system. Our process involves meticulously inspecting both critical components. We identify the faults and replace the faulty base station PCB and the battery with genuine parts, ensuring your Deebot gets a new lease on life. We'll show you exactly what a successful RoboCare repair looks like. And look at this! After RoboCare's expert service, replacing the faulty PCB and battery, this Deebot X1 Omni is back in action. Fully charged, navigating perfectly, and cleaning like new. Facing any robot vacuum issue? Visit our website today or give us a call to schedule your repair.